Good evening. This is Celestron 100 TrailSeeker on my table. It's not a product review presentation because I'm doing more like how to, and this is how to mount a DSLR camera to this beautiful scope. Well, you have to remove this eye cap first, as manual says. So let's do it. It's removed. Now there was this kind of adapter with it, and it's supposed to connect a T2 ring with this scope. So let's try to put it somewhere. Doesn't go. So what the fuss about? You see, this eye cap has many parts, and correct way to open it to get this proper thread out of it is like this. Put it back again like this, and then turn it out a bit, then remove it. This is a rubber thing, and as it comes off, it reveals this kind of mechanism. Alright. You can't see, right, and I can't see how it comes off if it is at all. But actually, if you screw it like take it off a bit. If you look it very closely, there is a fine crack here or something, void, and it has to open it from here. It's when it comes from factory, it's very tightly tied up, so it's not the easiest task to do. So needs a bit of force, otherwise it comes just off from the back. So tight this back up again, and then try to remove this first. Oh, now it's moving. And as you see, it comes off right from ta-da! It's off. Now this goes here, and it goes perfectly. Then you take T2 ring, standard T2 M42, and it goes here. And after that, it's good to go. Ta-da! It's done. Simple, but if you don't know about this little surprise, I guess, from Celestron, or engineering, I don't know, miracle, then you will be face a hard time to find out where the right thread is coming out. So especially if you like assembling it in the first time, it will be like this. After the first time you already know, and then there is simple way to keep things working. Like you just have to make this very tight, and then it comes off. This one comes off first. But if it doesn't come off first in the first time, you have no clue where this adapter thing has to go. So that's the trick. Thank you very much.